So tonight we're working on problems 4, 5, and 6. For problem 4, we first want to get these to be the same base. So we'll say 2 to the second to the 3x squared times 2 to the 5x equals 2 to the negative 1. Then we'll have 2 to the 6x squared times 2 to the 5x equals 2 to the negative 1. When you're multiplying two exponentials that have the same base, you can add the exponents together. So we'll have 2 to the 6x squared plus 5x equals 2 to the negative 1. Now we can get rid of our base, and we'll say 6x squared plus 5x equals negative 1. Bring that 1 over. And now we will factor. And so our two x values are either negative 1/3 or negative 1/2. For problem 5, we're going to be doing a similar thing. So again, we're going to bring this down to the same base. So we'll say 2 squared to the 2x times 2 to the negative 2 to the third equals 2 to the third to the second. Again, we'll multiply because we are doing the power rule. So we'll have 2 to the 4x times 2 to the negative 6 equals 2 to the 6th. We can add our exponents right here because we have the same base when we're multiplying. So we'll say 2 to the 4x minus 6 equals 2 to the 6th. Get rid of those bases. We have 4x minus 6 equals 6. 4x equals 12. X equals 3. For problem 6, we cannot get to the same base with these two. So we are going to be using logarithms. We do not want to get into that for this video, so we will cover this in class tomorrow. So for problem 6, worry about that tomorrow. If you have any questions on anything, please reach out. Otherwise, this is going to end this homework video. Good luck, and see you in class tomorrow.